Have you noticed that I tend to do a lot of driving to Hythe? Anyone would think I want to live there. But I have to go to Hythe again today, so let's go and do another driving video. We're going to leave Tesco's at Cheriton, because I've just been here uploading some videos. They've got great Wi-Fi and I use it to upload my videos. Cheeky or what? So yeah, let's leave a supermarket car park at Cheriton and go to Hythe. I think I'm going to travel the less travelled road, so I'm actually going to go kind of the back way and drop down into Saltwood, is it, or Sandgate, and then see if I can go across the back road that goes along the seafront. That'll be a good little drive. Yellow and red rectangles for any hazards that either force me to stop or slow down, or just to be aware. And yeah, just a nice little drive in the sunshine. Let me know if you see any hazards that I miss, and I guess hit the like button if you like this video. Like always pushes it out to a wider audience. YouTube's funny like that. Right, let's get on with it. I remember when there weren't any lights on this bridge and you just, I don't know, every man for himself, but I remember passing vehicles on this bridge, even though it's narrow, because you would kind of side on like the left here and the right. Maybe they decided they needed traffic lights because of the weight restrictions, that kind of thing. Anyway, we'll drop down into Hythe via this back road rather than going into Folkestone along the 259. Might make for a nice little drive. We've got a school sign, but as it's the weekend, there's likely not to be any schools. Lots of cars parked on the left here, so lots of giving way to oncoming traffic, and in some cases the cars are parked on a hill or on a blind bend, so you're going to have to take your chances to try and pull out. Slow in the road. Another car parked on the bend. So of course the oncoming traffic tearing along the road, not considering that we might be on their side of the road because we're having to pass the parked cars. So you kind of got to give way both directions. I'm keeping my eyes peeled as far ahead as I can, just to see what the road is doing. Road narrows on the right. I think they've got traffic calming measures priority over oncoming vehicles. There I was saying the road less travelled. Everyone's travelling it this morning. Currently doing 20 miles an hour. Got a mobile home camper van thing in the front of us, so obviously some people touring the country. I think they're from the Netherlands. I saw the NL on the number plate. So they wouldn't be familiar with the road, so they're taking it easy, which is fine. Car turning right. Got a stop sign up ahead, so we must stop. I'm going to go left and then swing right at the garage, I think, then go along the seafront. Can't really see because of the van, so when he pulls out I'll know it's clear. He's pulling out, so obviously it's clear, and if anything was coming it would hit him before it hit me. This is Sandgate. Or is it Seabrook? I think it's Seabrook, isn't it? We'll go right at the garage here. Motorcyclists doing one of their last Sunday jaunts, because it was cold this morning, 6 degrees. This will be a nice little part of drive going into Hythe along the seafront. So it'll be a case of considering where we should give way here, if we can squeeze 2 cars in, or if some oncoming vehicles are in the middle of the road and I need to give way. Looks like we're all right. Just watch out for doors opening, people coming out between cars. Says it's 40 mile an hour zone. I'm doing 25. I think that's adequate. A lot of people getting their fishing rods and their little windbreaker type things. I suppose it's a good pastime. Never appealed to me. It's a lot of sitting around. I guess if you're prepared to sit and wait, the anticipation that something might bite. Sounds like a train. The sea looks particularly green today. Not sure how much the camera's picking it up, because the camera's pointing forwards, isn't it? Not a particularly hazardous road. There is enough room for people to pass each other, but not a road that's particularly well looked after. with a bit of resurfacing, I feel. Two Volvos meet side by side. Hythe Imperial Hotel. Should go down this road here because this is where I want to end up. Jag's in the middle of the road. You could move over slightly. I keep threatening that I'm going to do a walking video of Hythe. I will do one. I've got to find out about getting into the church because they've got like the crypt at the bottom and it's got all the bones and the skulls. Put a picture of it on here. Just can't for the life of me off the top of my head remember what it's called, but it will be on the screen. Right, 20 mile an hour zone now. To end up at the health centre down here to get my 4th COVID jab. I don't mind saying that I don't, I take the COVID jab. If it's offered free, then go for it. Where can I park? Might even be able to get my jab early because I'm 40 minutes early for it, but they might say, just come in and have your jab. Oh, great. Could have indicated in advance. Well, oh well, whip, whip, whip. I'm going to park right here. You can wait for me, car, racing up behind me. Bit of parallel parking there for you. Nice. Slotted right in. Perfect. That was Cheriton to Hythe. Put my glasses away. I always like to take the sunnies off when I'm looking at the camera because it's kind of like you want eye contact, don't you? You want to see. Got a couple more lined up today, so there'll be more in the pipeline. For now, thanks for watching and bearing with, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now. Drive with care.